This is our story. A story of how we celebrated 50 years at DPL. Our teams across our locations came together with one shared mission: to complete 50 meaningful initiatives, help lift communities, protect the environment, and support the people who are part of our journey. We stood beside our communities when they needed us most. We conducted blood donation campaigns across our locations. We supported healthcare through essential hospital equipment and ward renovations in Monaragala. We donated over 50,000 gloves to frontline workers, and we stood by communities through disaster relief and recovery efforts. We honored those at the heart of our industry, our farmers. We launched our Farmer Recognition and Appreciation Program in Monaragala, celebrating their dedication through a special event and fellowship. And we are taking this initiative forward across Kegal, Ratnapura, Akurasa, and Midenya. We donated school bags and learning materials to thousands of children. And in the months ahead, we will reach an additional 2,500 children from farming families. Our team at DPTL also conducted fire evacuation and emergency response drills in schools. We gave back to the planet that sustains us all through the Eco Pulse Nature Reserve at our Hanwela facility, planting 50 native trees for a greener tomorrow, climbing 6,000 feet above sea level to restore cloud forests, and bringing our teams together to clean our shores. In Thailand, we planted over 5,000 mangroves and released nearly 2 million crabs into Songkhla Lake, supporting marine biodiversity at scale. And at the heart of it all were our people. More than 500 employees and their families came together, not just to celebrate, but to move for a cause, to give back, to stand for something bigger. Through moments of joy, from the run, walk, cycle, to the spirit of the Office Olympics. Through celebrations across locations, shared laughter, and tokens of appreciation, to milestones that marked our journey, including the ringing of the bell at the Colombo Stock Exchange. This was a year we shared together. Across borders, our purpose remained the same. Our people came together as one global family, driven by one belief: to strengthen communities, to uplift futures, to touch thousands of lives across our communities. In every smile we created, a part of us smiled back. And in those moments, we were changed too. This is how we celebrated 50 years at DPL, with purpose.